Hey friends, this is Souramita. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are staying safe and healthy. It's day 6 today of series of pen shading tutorial of a girl dancing, and I shall be uploading videos as much as I draw every day. You can see I have already completed the upper portion and now I have started shading the lower portion using the same 5 rupee pen only. For those who don't know about the series, I would say that ये एक पेन शेडिंग का सीरीज चल रहा है जहाँ मैं डेली जितना ड्रॉ करती हूँ उतना मैं अपलोड करती हूँ and do watch my previous 5 videos and the outline video also and then come to this video. And you will understand everything. You can check out my previous videos from the links given in the description. And I'm shading the folds of the cloth very slowly and I'm gradually adding shadows and details. Shading lighter to darker tone method से ही करना है because while shading with pen you cannot add lighter tones over darker tones. And pen lines are permanent, you cannot remove them, so you have to be extra careful while shading with pen. Keep patience, observe every little detail on the reference image and draw slowly. I have also linked the reference image in description box. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe करे दाओ. Motivation मिलती है यार. If you find my video helpful, please like and share the video and also comment your thoughts. And मुझे Instagram and Facebook पे follow करना मत भूलना. And please subscribe my shorts channel also. Keep watching. Well, I'm loving the results. See you in the next video. Bye.